Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a very different video for you. I love cleaning videos. I love watching them. They motivate me sometimes to clean. So today I thought, why not clean my kitchen? I have to do it anyway. Why not film it? My kitchen's pretty dirty. I had a long week and just did not get a chance to clean it up. I hate having a dirty kitchen. I hate clutter and filth in general. Like, I can't function or think. Like, it's like it just sucks away life out of me, and I just have no motivation to do anything creative. So I try to keep things as clean as possible. I just couldn't do it this week, so I'm off today. Today is Saturday. Why not take the weekend to get everything together? I generally try to do nothing on Sunday. Sunday is my rest day, so I really need to clean up today. So figured I'd start with my kitchen just to see how you guys like it. Let me know in the comment section if you would like to see more videos like this. I'm thinking about vlogging as well. I'm kind of boring, so I don't really know why anybody would want to see that. But just let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see. Like, what type of content do you like? I know what I like, but I also know that's not what everybody else likes. So just let me know. It's very hard to constantly create content, and I know you guys see me come week strong and then like I'll fall off for like a month or 3. So it's just very hard sometimes as a content creator to constantly keep up with that, as well as the other things that I do on the side. I am a videographer and a photographer, so I often have projects lined up, and trying to be creative for someone else and be creative for yourself is not always the easiest thing. So it's very helpful when you guys throw out comments and let me know what you want to see, and I do thank you, the ones that, you know, have been consistently with me, even though I'm not as consistent as I'd like. So I'm trying to change that for you guys. But anyway, like, subscribe, hit the little bell so you'll be notified of when I post my next video, and let's get started.